Chinaza.
Boys are gonna go on the first two steps and take off fit.
Feeling so deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Yeah, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash get ready with her because
I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to talk. I'm supposed to be mute.
you can talk if you want, but
I don't want to butt in like
no,
this is your YouTube channel.
You just butt in.
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Okay. I was gonna do her makeup for prom anyway, so I thought why not bring out the camera and film it. So today we're just going to go for some nice flawless skin. She doesn't have any like problematic skin areas, as you can see. She's just gonna overall look very dewy and
Just bomb.
just bomb. So I don't think you guys are ready for this slay. Are they ready?
I'm not ready. I really just did this once. Like I'm not ready.
So we're gonna go ahead and do the brows off camera because that is gonna take me a good like 10 minutes. So if you guys want to see what the end result is, then please keep watching. Okay.
Attention, I'ma need you to face front. That's Jackie Chan, we ain't pulling no face stunts.
My crown won't fit on your bum ass lace front. Alright, so I'm about to clean up her eyebrows.
Things on the head of a side. Bitch, you my son, but we still in a party.
I'll be down a rum pop. Keep talking way too much.
My eyebrows look good.
And her skin is still dry.
I have dry skin.
Yeah, she's very dry skin and I have very oily skin.
So she took some of my oil.
Okay,
Basically,
we can't be talking while the music's playing. I'm gonna go in with primer. So we're gonna go ahead and put on the little orange color corrector. And blend out. Blend, blend, blend. She has the Nars. I believe it's Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation. It's the new one.
My shade is New Caledonia.
It doesn't look good really until the very, very end.
That's true. And I'm a doubter. I'm a doubter. I always doubt the power of makeup.
Like whenever people see me put on makeup, it looks so weird and people are like, what are you doing? But then in the end it comes together and they're like, oh my god, teach me. And I'm like, okay sis.
She's adding me. She's literally adding me so hard.
No, well, I was actually like kind of thinking about like someone else. But that wasn't shade. It wasn't shade. It's just like open.
Hashtag I woke up like this.
I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm actually using my foundation shade for her concealer.
Because our shades be like that.
Yes. My favorite one is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and it's a 2-in-1 foundation. It's both foundation and concealer. It has a relatively thick formula, so that's why I can go ahead and use it for her concealer. So this is just gonna hide all those bags because of AP testing, because we all know she's studying her butt off for those senior year.
To all my seniors out there, you know how it be. I don't even have to explain it. I used to be such a pain to put makeup on. Like when you first started putting makeup on me,
Okay.
I was just horrendous. Like if she'd put one thing on me, I'd like jump back. Like I couldn't follow directions. And every 5 seconds I'd want to look in the mirror.
That's a little bit crazy
Oh my gosh, it is crazy.
You got a man, but he ain't like this. She been young since nothing.
Do you ever just like not listen to, like, you listen to a song so many times you don't even think of the lyrics, and then one time you just like, I'm gonna listen to the lyrics now, and then you're like shook by what you actually hear.
I think the thing, like for me, I love music so much that I always listen to the lyrics. Yeah, I don't know. Music has, for the past year, it's like just has a special place in my heart.
It's therapy.
Expose me, will you?
I'm kidding! I am kidding! We all need therapy.
Every time Chinaza says I'm kidding, she's not kidding.
Don't expose my secrets like that!
She's not kidding. She laughs it off.
Yeah, I need to stop doing that.
Because you want to snatch that nose.
I've never heard that phrase.
You've never heard that phrase?
Snatch that nose. Like,
are you sure Patricia Bright hasn't used it?
she used to snatch a lot. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, surprisingly, she actually has a decent music taste.
Surprisingly? What do you mean surprisingly? What would suggest otherwise? Like, I'm very curious.
Oh, you're right. I shouldn't say that. A lot of times people think that just because someone's smart. She got into like 7 out of 8 Ivies, by the way, no big deal. Yeah. A lot of times people think that just because you're smart, that like you're not lit. But that's not true because
I'm living proof
school
that's not true.
Yeah, and the school I go to, proof that it's definitely not true. It's actually the opposite. The people
they need something to decompress.
Yeah,
you need something. Well, you don't need something, but like it's very helpful to have something, an outlet.
Yeah, exactly. So let's really work hard, play hard. Harder.
I'm so excited for eyeshadow. I'm not gonna say that.
For what?
To work hard, play hard. Really is the motto. Things to live by, work hard, play hard. Eyeshadow, folks, is one of the most time-consuming of all of them.
Yeah, probably gonna take an hour to be honest. But then once you're done the eyeshadow, I'm not kidding. I don't.
How Avengers Infinity War should have ended. Look. And Captain Marvel defeats Thanos.
Yeah. Come say hi.
Hi.
This is my brother. How old are you?
10.
Come here.
Hi.
This is.
What's your name?
Abraham.
How old are you?
12.
He's 12 and he's 10 and a half.
Alright, boys.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Hey, can you close the door, please?
There's plenty more where that came from.
Yeah, bacon is next, you're right.
Haha! Look at me doing this.
So for her senior pictures, I was in college.
So me, little me, realized I didn't know anything about makeup and didn't know what to do because I thought that she was gonna come home just for me, just to do my makeup for senior pics. But then I realized like the world doesn't center on me and she has class. So you girl had to figure it out. So
she didn't have to figure it out herself. I literally had to write out a long
step-by-step
note thing, and I had to send it to her so that she like knew what to do step by step. She was like, "Can you look up?"
And now it's really hard not to look down. Hashtag discipline. Hashtag baked.
Oh my god! Not me to make Just ignore that. Ignore that.
Okay, we're making good time. This is the problematic verse. Then he just exposes himself.
Why are you saying that like that? She said,
I mean, like, no judgment if you have.
right. Alright, so next step is just need to bring some color back into it. So I'm gonna take her face powder. Finding shades for her skin tone in the drugstore is very rare.
That's why I have to resort to the bougie brands, which I'm not complaining about. Like when they say they match you, sometimes when you go to like Sephora and stuff,
You just literally
they won't.
They'll
lie to you.
Person of color knows you don't get your shade matched at Sephora.
You match yourself.
You match yourself because literally she got her shade matched. She brought home her foundation. I literally said, "What is this?" Because it was so like
off.
It was so yellow.
And just off. Like it just didn't match.
It just was not her shade. They will really get any brown shade. Be like, "Oh yes, this is perfect."
Pro tip: if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself.
Yeah.
In any aspect of life. Or get your sister to do it for you.
Okay.
Do you want me to fetch it? Now that I have you guys all to myself, don't know what to say. These braids are super cute, like I was saying before. Like I have tassels in my hair. She's gonna cut this out, but she's gonna cut it out.
People use like 1-2 sprays because it is expensive. It's like 35 bucks for the entire bottle, but I just use a lot of it because it just feels very refreshing and it literally makes the makeup melt into your skin. So we're just gonna...
Do I close my eyes or...
No.
Just leave them open, let them mist
Yeah.
in your eyes.
Okay. She needs all the moisture she can get. Hey, let's pop it.
You sound like Crystal from The Bachelor. Hey.
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 Hi guys.
I just wanted to like, check in on you guys.
Ew.
That's what she does on people's dates. Like literally stepping into people's dates. She just want to check in.
Hey, can I just tell him for a second?
I just forgot. I have to say something to him.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna lie. If I was on The Bachelor, I'd probably be a Crystal. No, I wouldn't, but I just have attachment issues for real.
Oh yeah, I
really
would. Yeah, because the way you behave when you just for like
yeah,
previous experiences,
you just want your man.
You want him to.
You don't want to share him. These clips are just so cute. Like I feel like I'm in the 90s. I just feel like such a pop star.
So I need my eyeshadow brushes. So here we go, the eyeshadow.
It's just me again. Hey, she's gonna cut this out, so I feel like I just can say whatever I want. Now we're gonna do the eye portion. So stay tuned for that.
Oh my god, my knee, did you?
I heard the
my
crack.
knee literally just, oh frick. They're literally cutting my bone. It's fine. It's fine, you know? In this house, we smile through the pain.
And you have great smiles. Ew. Ew, no! That's just gross. I'm sorry you guys have to see that. I just feel like I should apologize for that. I just don't like being so close, but I mean, like, this is all for you guys. I'm sorry. Please. I'm really creepy.
Like me.
Is Pug Walk a dance? Because they never caught on. It sounds like the kind of song that would have a dance to it.
Thank you, honey. Close the
Close
door.
Hey guys.
Close. Oh, you watch ASMR?
Oh, well, yeah. I don't like it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You're a freak. People who like SMR are freaky. Like, you guys have inherent. Being good at eyeshadow is a gift today. Not many people can.
Yeah, I'm still learning though.
They're like, are you coming over? I'm like, no, my daughter has prom. But then we came back, your dad was like, oh no, we gotta go.
Y'all see that? Bombed.
The only thing I had today to eat was 2 graham crackers.
Taking this prom diet seriously. Though.
I really am not. Just been busy.
Let's be real, all you bitches wanna look like me. Pretty bitches with their kiss like me. She just mad cause he never bought her ice like me. I can blow my niggas off, they would still like me. Come on, bitch, nice try. Let's be real, all you bitches wanna look like me. Wanna be in the... Can't do drip.
It just feels like a cool weight on my eyes. Like,
It feels good there.
yeah.
Alright. She has to close her eyes?
Yeah.
My eyes have been closed for 30 minutes.
Really? Oh my god. 30 minutes.
Okay. Hi guys, we're back. I apologize, my camera died and I had to charge it. Chinaza, obviously she has her prom and she's on a time limit, so I continued. But you guys will get to see her put on her highlights and the rest of her lips. I'm gonna go ahead with like a Colourpop kind of like pinky nude first.
And do I?
No.
I didn't. That was like a very resounding no. I was like,
Not like rub it all over, just I want it just to be in the center.
is that how you want
No,
it?
more. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and put highlighter on. No, do you think this is highlighter brush? She thought this was the highlighter brush.
Okay, don't expose.
Y'all see that when she turns? I want to contour a bit more, and then we're gonna spray. I'm using Covergirl bronzer in the shade Ebony to just define her cheekbones. You're blessed with nice cheekbones, so there's not too much work to do. Y'all, you can look.
Full effect. Oh my god.
Turn this
Oh my god.
Yes, look down. Let's zoom into that, shall we? Do y'all see that? I don't think you do. Alright y'all, so the last step we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and just spray her face and just everything's just gonna melt in. This is like the third time we're spraying, but y'all know I love my spray, so I wasn't playing when I said I sprayed a lot.
Yeah, this reminds me of when the guy was whipping those eggs. He was like, or like the mashed potatoes.
I have to restart my potatoes.
Oh yeah.
That's what you're doing right now.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Just do a little turn for me. Yes. Show the tude. Yes.
Starting on the bottom of the whole team here.
I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Thank you. It meant a lot to me personally because like I don't know where that was going.
No, you should say anyone that supports my sister
supports me. And it's true. It's true. I love my sissy here. She always helps me out. She basically did this look. It's all her. And
I'm blushing.
Yeah.
You can't see it, but I'm blushing. I'm gonna go help her finish getting ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Subscribe, like,
please. Okay,
comment
so
below.
Wait, yes, like and comment. And also, I was looking at my analytics, and 88% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. 88%. That's kind of
my judgment face. Like,
yeah, I'm like, if you're not subscribed, we're judging you. Just join the family, subscribe. I don't know what else to say. That's it. She's like kind of like in a rush right now because like her date is gonna be here soon. But
and
yeah,
I gotta get dressed.
She has to
go get dressed.
Yeah. All right. Bye guys.
Bye.
Mwah.
Love you.
Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I know shorty and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, life goes on. Haven't let the thing loose, girl, in so long.